Respected charter accountants, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to this session. A big thanks for giving your time to be a part of this proud and joyous occasion as Tally breaks ground by crossing 2 million Tally licenses installations. Something to me almost unheard in the software product industry across the world. What we have jointly achieved in a matter of few decades is almost unthinkable in the entire lifetime of many well-known successful software product houses globally. While what Tally has achieved is truly astonishing, this success is surely credited to all of you as chartered accountant in no small parts. While the efforts of everyone in Tally, from the R&D, product development, product management, customer support, field sales, and others, are being very important to get to this day, all of this definitely wouldn't have been possible without the continued patronage of all of you. Continued patronage of all of you, not just as loyal customers, but also as great influencers, and more importantly, preachers of Tally, helping us to take the product, build confidence on it, and its adoption by millions of customers across the world. And this is where you all hold a very special place in this journey so far and going ahead, and very special place in the hearts of every one of us as Tallywalas. Firstly, as customers who gave your thumbs up for using Tally as a product in your practice. Secondly, as experts in the field who critiqued, who suggested, and helped us to make the product better day by day, every day. And thirdly, as responsible influencers in the market who rightly suggested millions of businesses to adopt Tally in their best interest of their business. For all these roles and more that you have played, we are very grateful to you. And genuinely, you must be garlanded for everything that is at the cutting edge of excellence and simplicity in Tally today. All this, and we are very confident to experience the next level of exponential growth with everything new that we have recently brought and will soon bring into the market. And as always, we continue to solicit your help by requesting all of you to continue playing all the roles that you have been playing during these years with us. Along with this, we have almost 4 eminent speakers: CA Atul Gupta, CA Manu Agarwal, CA Venugopal, CA Jitin Mehta, who shall be sharing their views on some important topics and their experiences with Tally as well. With this, I will invite Tejas Goenka and BG sir with no further delay to share their thoughts with us on the journey so far, the meaning of this achievement to all of us, and what the future of Tally holds to us. Over to you, Tejas and BG sir.
Thank you, Arvind. Thank you so much. I can't echo his words enough. Thank you, everybody, so much for joining us here. And what Arvind has said is absolutely right, that this journey is certainly not ours in the Tally family only, but ours together along with the chartered accounting community that this country has had. The last 35 years has been an unbelievably blessed journey for us. And I really want to thank you for everything that you all have done, and really look forward to creating history over the next few years as well. Dad will have some more to share, so I'll pass it on to him.
Thanks, Tejas. Very honestly, I don't know where to start. Right? It is 35 years, an important milestone, and to put things in perspective, it took us more than 25 years to get to our first million. It took less than 5 years to get to the second million, and life ahead is there. And I do want to say that I'm finding it even difficult to figure out how to address all of you. in this 35-year journey, and even before the 35-year journey, there are my brothers and sisters who are chartered accountants. There are my brothers-in-laws and sisters-in-laws, that both as Jija, Sala, Bhabis, who are chartered accountants. There are co-brothers and sadhus who have been chartered accountants. There have been uncles, chachas, taus, and now nephews and nieces as I become older, who are chartered accountants. And with several individual chartered accountants in this years, one has bonded as if they have been part of family. This fraternity is one of the very few intellectual fraternities of the country. That while it is called as a profession, and it is a profession, but it is a deeply intellectual profession. And over the 35 years, all of you have been, when I used to program alone, the strongest critics of the work which I had done. As we became a company, you all continue to be the strongest critics. And with every such interaction, we only became better and better. If Tally is loved today, it is loved because you all wanted it to be loved. You all wanted it to be perfected to a level where it was difficult for people not to have it. And yes, many times over these years, we have sometimes been able to respond to your expectations. And I think more often than not, we have fallen short of it. That even today, there are expectations where we are probably not yet there for you. Right? We are still, so for 35 years, we have kept making promises. And we keep making promises that, yes, we are doing it. And a few times we have met them, and many more promises continue to need to get met. And what perpetually has astonished me is that despite the fact that we have not met so many of our promises over so many of the years, how you all have remained behind us and pushed us to the point of scolding me, scolding Tejas, scolding the company when we have fallen short. Okay? And my father always used to say that you are blessed that someone treats you own enough to scold you. Otherwise, who cares? This is just another product. If it meets your expectations, great. If it doesn't meet your expectations, who really cares? I mean, why would you require to try and get it corrected? Why would you require to try and be so involved in it that today it was impossible for us to even think about this milestone getting crossed without talking to you all. The outside world believes that Tally is what it is because some good programmers exist in the company. Great programmers exist in every company, but there are very few Tallys. And I'm not trying to say these because I'm talking to y'all, but because it is the fundamental truth. Yes, I have lived through the journey when I used to program alone, that I was adopted by y'all. Tally was adopted by y'all. Y'all treated it as your own child. And y'all have pushed me in those early days, and then pushed us as an organization to never forget that it needs to be a great product. It cannot be just another product. So if we are here today, 100% what Arvind said is true. We are here today because you all brought us here. And And no, I'm not going to say that you all brought us here by recommending us to customers. I will not say you all brought us here by selling to our customers. I will not say you all brought us here by becoming users of Tally. You all brought us here because you all pushed us to make the product great. And continue to give that push. Continue to give that push. And I will again admit that I know several of you are not just occasionally disappointed. Even as of today, some of you are disappointed with the company's responsiveness to your demands. And I can only say that I just perpetually require a little bit of your patience, but never require your tolerance. You have never been tolerant about a poor product, and I hope that you will never be tolerant of it. We are perpetually conscious. Before Father passed away in 2002, he was every day conscious of only one thing. And every time he had an interaction with the chartered accountant, and in front of me, he would be making that statement. When I used to be programming alone, he would tell in front of me to them, don't go easy on him. If you find a better product in the market, please stop using Tally and please stop talking about Tally. Right? That it is your business is to do the best for your customer. And then he would point to me and say it is his business to make sure that what is best for the customer happens to be Tally. But your business is not to do anything for Tally. Your business is to do what is best for your customer. And every single encounter he used to make that statement. And despite that statement, the fact that I was adopted by y'all, the fact that Tally was adopted by y'all, and y'all pushed it to become a great product, so difficult to express those in simple thanks. I am becoming a little emotional right now, so I'm sorry about that. But thank you once again, and congratulations to all of you for seeing this amazing milestone for a product that you have helped create. Thank you. Thank you again.
Thanks, Tejas. Thank you so much, Vijay sir, for sharing your time and thoughts with us. It's indeed our privilege to have you as the father of the Indian product software industry and the soul of Tally itself with us on this great occasion. So moving forward, as said earlier, we have among us 4 eminent speakers from the CA community who, besides being great in their professions, are known for their technology specializations and efforts towards bringing the same into their communities, especially among the CA communities. These names are looked upon if the CA community wants to know something about technology. Their name comes first when people think about technology in the CA community. So, not standing too much in between them and you, I will request CA Atul Gupta first to address his thoughts. Before that, I will have a small introduction about Atul sir. Most of you know, and you can continue to Google his achievements for hours together. That is what he is. The list. CA Atul Gupta is a great leader, has grown to the highest rank of the accounting profession by acquiring the position of being the president of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And ICAI is not a small thing, it is the second largest accounting body in the world. He has served as the chairman of Digital Accounting and Assurance Board, Board of Studies, IT Committee, and Indirect Tax Committee of ICAI, and the list goes on. On the international front, he is representing ICAI in the International Integrated Reporting Council. He is the chairman of Committee on Education and Training at SAFA. He is also on the board of International Federation of Accountants and XBRL International and South Asian Federation of Accountants. And these are all very standard descriptions, profiles about Atulji. But what is that is close to us as Tally is that knowing the difficulties of that, he is the first one to recognize Tally as the technology partner with ICAI, and he personally helped and guided us to do a series of Tally and technology sessions to all ICAI members across the nation. So that is something which we always remember you, Atul sir, and we request you to be with us for the same going forward. So Atulji will be sharing his views on relationship with Tally over the years and the support provided to the CA community in assisting the overall business landscape. Atul sir, over to you.
Thank you, Arvindji. Very respected Bharatji, Tejas, my esteemed colleague in the council, my elder brother, CA Manu Agarwalji, and my colleagues in the profession. A very good afternoon to all of you, and I'm feeling privileged to be the part of this program, this momentous occasion, when our own Indian-based application related to accounting package, this account that is Tally, is now have the 2 million subscribers, and today they are celebrating this momentous occasion. So I congratulate Bharatji, Tejas, and the entire team led by both of them. Friends, as far as the contribution of the automation in the accounting sphere, I believe that the credit goes to the none other than the applications like Tally, because the time was there when all the chartered accountants were struggling to have to match the trial balance, even if there was a difference of ₹1. So gradually they adopted the technology, and ably supported by the applications, the various applications, including the Tally, which is the most prominent among the chartered accountants. And later on, the chartered accountants concentrated more on the analytical parts as compared to the routine and the repetitive things, including the matching of the trial balance I used to share in a lighter side. So there was the days when we were having the celebration if you match the trial balance, even if there was so we were struggling to have a difference, even if there is a ₹1 difference. And so there were the evening parties among the chartered accountants and the articles when they got this trial balance matched. But we have passed through a long journey from there. And now there are the applications which are providing the n number of services into this particular sphere. And I believe that in the times to come, they all will be the part of these applications as well. Friends, as far as the adoption of the technology by the chartered accountants, I believe that as rightly mentioned, and even I posted on the social media, that it is rightly being mentioned that after every 15 years, we will be doing a job of which 65% is not in existence today. So what I'm trying to convey you that since the technology, our profession evolves around the economic developments, and there are the 3 fundamental features of global economic scenarios which we should acknowledge. That the first one is that the delimitation of jurisdictions, meaning thereby that the standards of accounting, the various laws which we are following, are getting practically the jurisdictions limits are getting, the geographical boundaries are getting de-recognized in a way that today, when just a few years back, when we were following the accounting standards, they were completely different as compared to the other jurisdiction, because they were following the international accounting standards. Later on, IFRS came, and India adopted the IFRS in a carve-out manner with the 99.6% IFRS only, with a new name called as Ind AS. But practically, they are more or less similar to the IFRS. So what will happen, whether it is the GST, whether it is the international taxation, risk management, valuation, or the fundamental of the same is about the accounting. So when you have the similar kind of principles which are evolving around the different jurisdictions, the accountings are also follow the same path. So what I'm trying to convey you that our profession, when evolves around the economic development, it is very, very important that we should recognize this aspect that with the passage of time, not only our profession, but the ecosystem around our profession should also gear up and provide that kind of a facilitation that we are not only rendering to the Indian jurisdiction, but also we can render the global jurisdiction. So when we are talking about the competition which is coming from overseas, there are the opportunities also which are we can explore to provide not only service in India, but also the different jurisdiction. And this is similarly applicable not only on the chartered accountant services, but also the packages like the Tally. The another important aspect which is developing over a period of time is the innovative way of doing business. So when the businesses are looking for a unicorn status, they are looking for a maximization of their wealth, cost optimization, efficiency to be improved. So what they are doing, that they are always looking for an innovative way of doing business. I just wish to share with you that, this I will speak in the digital disruption also, that there are the number of things which the industries is adopting to improve their efficiency and the effectiveness. Now, this second point I will be clubbing with the third point at this juncture, because I have to give a perspective for the same. That is something, the third and the important aspect which is emerging in the global jurisdiction is the digital disruption. So in the school times, we were using the ABCD and we were reading the ABCD. A stands for apple and B stands for ball. But today the A stands for artificial intelligence, B stands for blockchain, vis-a-vis the C stands for cybersecurity, and D stands for data analytics. So what I'm trying to convey you, when the routine things, repetitive things will be outsourced to the systems which will be offering the maker-checker concept through artificial intelligence and blockchain, it will be more important for the chartered accountants and the ecosystem to provide, to expertise on the areas which offer them the which require more skepticism, the wisdom, and the analytical approach. And for that, they have to master the C and D, that is cybersecurity and data analytics. Now, when I'm mentioning this, it will be very, very important that not only the chartered accountant has to reskill themselves, understand the new age jobs, but also the ecosystem, including the accounting packages like Tally. So what I'm trying to convey you, when the robos, so we conducted a recent study, Manuji may be sharing with you the more detail about a recent study which is being conducted under his guidance with the Institute of Chartered Accountant England and Wales, that how the robos are taking over the various routine and repetitive things. You will agree with me, when we have the system available of e-invoicing in the Tally, in the GST, and when you have the e-invoices available, there will be a mechanism which will be on the card when the journal entries will be done by the robos based on the e-invoice which is available. So what I'm trying to convey you, that not only the chartered accountant has to develop, has to reskill themselves with the requirement of the new age jobs, but also the ecosystem. So all the peripheries, all the ancillary activities, including the accounting packages, they also have to gear up and understand that what will be the requirement of the future. So when the future 5 years down the line, what will happen, that the accounting packages has to integrate themselves with the blockchain, artificial intelligence, and then they have to offer a lot of reports rather than they are looking for a data entry. They should be more concentrating on the analytical side of the data, so that it is that okay. So when I was doing a project in the railway, honorable minister, the then minister of the railway, Suresh Prabhuji, used to say me that we have the so we were doing accrual accounting, and then so we were happy that okay, now we have an accrual accounting system in place in railway. But he mentioned that accrual accounting is only the first step. Now you have to go with the performance and then finally the outcome budgeting. So what he was trying to mention us, that the accounting is a fundamental requirement to work upon on the more dynamic things. So likewise, what is happening and what I visualizing in the times to come for the entire profession, including all the ancillary services provider, that the profession, the routine and the repetitive things like the data punching or doing a journal entries in the accounting package will be handled by the robots or by the automatic systems, and it will be more the analytical part, which will be the key, which will be the main area and the forte of the chartered accountant. And for that, they will be required the applications which will have that kind of a facility, the facilitation. So what I wish that when the Tally, which is actually become I will say the soul, which become the actually the first step towards learning. That okay, say for example, I was doing a manual activity and I shifted towards the automation. So it's like a child who was not having the ability to start walking. So the first step, which was being the support, हम उसको गडलिया बोलते हैं, then that is something that okay, somebody is getting that kind of a support. So that was the day when the Tally and the applications which provided the kind of a support to the chartered accountant fraternity. I congratulate the Bharatji, Tejas, and everybody for this 2 million journey. But at the same time, I feel that I will be failing in my duty if I will not be sharing you the thought that which will be the requirement or the need of the future. That yes, we have to gear up ourselves. We have to see that what will be down the line, 5 years down the line, what will be the requirement. And as you rightly mentioned by Bharatji, that the tolerance should not be there. It should be that the support and everything he mentioned that will be there. But at the same time, we have to see the ecosystem is getting developed as per the requirements of the time, which the entire profession and the economy is looking for. So you are being a very trusted partner. The entire economy, the profession, and everybody is look towards you. That how Indian made applications, because today the time is for Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Made in India project. So how our organizations, how the ecosystem can provide that kind of the aspiration of everybody into the reality in the times to come. So my best wishes, and all the whatever way we can contribute towards the success of the entire ecosystem. So I will be happy to assist in whatever way we can. So my best wishes to once again to the entire management under the able guidance of Bharatji for this 2 million mark today. Once again, congratulations and best wishes for the future.
Arul sir, as always, been so kind, and our sincere thanks for this wonderful session. We've been talking about this many times, and we will again assure you that we'll have a separate fiber between Tally and you, wherein all these points which you have said, we will see how we can closely connect with you and take your inputs and ensure that the product becomes better and better to your expectation and to the expectations of the CA community. Thanks for your time, and short of words to talk anything more for you for doing this wonderful support for Tally. Genuinely look forward for your support to take this journey ahead into a different stage. Thanks a lot. And now I'll request the next speaker, CA Manu Agarwal. In fact, myself and Manuji, I call him without looking at my watch, and he helps Tally without looking at his watch. So that is one definition of Manu sir. Manu sir, thanks for that. And as a small introduction about you, while people know you, that Mr. Manuji has been the chairman of Digital Accounting and Assurance Body of ICAI for the years 1920, 2021, 21-22, and I don't know how long this journey will continue, but great to see you here, sir. And being there for a year itself is difficult, but you've been there as the face of IT for the ICAI community. This is something very, very, very cool for all of us. And you also been the founder chairman of Information Technology Committee of South Asian Federation of Accountants. And very importantly, which is not there in his profile, is that he's been a very permanent proponent. Wherever you see to talk about technology, and if there is a set of CS, there is the name of CA Manu Agarwal coming. He's a very permanent proponent of benefits of technology adoption to the chartered accountants in practice and the students as well. And when it comes to technology and its advantage, he'll be the first person to ensure that the members of ICAI gets the benefits of technology at the earliest. And the recent example, while Tally has been giving some special benefits and offers to the members of ICAI. Through ICAI, we had some problems in difficulties in ensuring that the package reaches the customers, the chartered accountants easily. So he came, he ensured that a neat backend system was put, the Tally's database was integrated with ICAI database. He stood in front and did this entire thing. And today, if a CA wants to buy a Tally under the special offer, it is just a click of a button. There is almost negligible human intervention in this entire process. So this is just an example of what CA Manu Agarwal does for the CA community of this country. Sir, I will not take much of your time, but this is what you are, and this is what more you are, and I request you to take on and come out with your views of a simple topic called digitization in profession. Very nice topic. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Alvinji, for the nice and kind words. The respected Bharat Goenka ji, Tejas Goenka ji, the Honorable immediate past president of the institute, Atul Gupta ji, chartered accountant colleagues, and dear friends. First of all, I would take this opportunity to actually compliment the whole Tally team led by Bharat ji and Tejas for reaching this 2 million mark. Well, it was easy to say. It seems a natural thing that the first million took some 30 years, the next took just 5 years, and the next million would take 2 years or so. But friends, I would like to tell you this does not happen in technology. In technology, where you get lost, when you will get lost, nobody knows. Tally has been through all those phases and come out successfully. My sincere compliments to the whole team. GST came, it was a big challenge. A few days back, we received a notification that all the audit trails are required to be maintained in a software. Again, it's a nightmare for a software developer. And such things kept on happening during these 35 years. But to withstand all those, my compliments. Now, I have to speak on digitization for chartered accountants. Well, I'll try to relate it with Tally. Well, friends, Tally probably is the only product of its kind. And one of the main reasons which I say is for its success is that it has helped others do also. It has not been a company or a product which tries to take care of itself. It is one product which has let others earn. It has come out with Tally development language. It has promoted open sourcing. It has promoted people to do the development themselves. That is, according to me, one of the very big reasons why it is succeeding. There are thousands of people who are working with Tally. Now, let us come to the role of chartered accountants. Well, chartered accountants, friends, is probably one community which has a very, very deep insight into the financial aspect of any process. And all the software solutions which are built to maximize the profit, to maximize the revenue, to increase the profitability. So that is why the role of chartered accountants. The chartered accountant may not understand the programming language, but once somebody really understands the crux of the problem, understands what type of solution is required, then I think half of the job is done. You can get, as Bharatji said, a number of very good programmers, some excellent programmers. But what do they do? Who guides them? Who directs them to the correct solution? Again, this is one area where I personally think the chartered accountants can play a major role. The Institute of Chartered Accountants, as Atulji very rightly mentioned, had a detailed survey of a number of companies, 4 or 5 companies based out of India and 4 or 5 companies based out of United Kingdom, just to see the level of digitization. You would be surprised to know that the level of digitization found in the Indian companies was much more in comparison with those in the United Kingdom. That was the crux of the study. And we studied all the big companies. So this is the power of digitization which the Indians have, which the Indian chartered accountants have. This second largest body of the world has a great potential. We at the Digital Accounting and Assurance Board are trying to educate members, are trying to equip them with a host of tools, with a host of knowledge, teaching them, as Atul Bhai said, ABCD, artificial intelligence, data analytics, cyber security, and all those things which we are trying to tell them, because we firmly believe that today, what the job of a chartered accountant is today will actually not remain 10 years or 5 years. When I passed my chartered accountancy course, then the only job was to tally a trial balance. I recollect Tally as one of the main softwares, even then Tally 4.5 as we used to call it. It was amazing because anybody using Tally 4.5 never had a trial balance difference. Whereas we used to grapple with those manually written books, try and tally the trial balance. So with this slow journey, Tally also went through 5.4, 6.3, 7.2, and then finally ERP 9. And most of the people had written off that Tally 4.5 was the best. Nothing else could survive. But once Tally ERP 9 came, I think everything was put to rest. That is the power of that software. And with this, the Tally language which came really helped. So friends, I firmly believe that this chartered accountant fraternity can take a leaf out of Tally, can really educate their clients, build their processes, and ensure in this economic world, which is set to be a 5 trillion economy, can partner there and can help build solutions. It is a huge opportunity. It is actually something which is unimaginable. It is just that you have to take the lead. A small idea, a small website, a small application can be used by people across the globe. That is the power of technology. And Tally has shown it. Tally has done it. Chartered accountants, there are a number of sites which are being operated by chartered accountants who are doing it. They are all very, very successful, preparing project reports, preparing legal cases, and all those things. You just name it and it's there. With this, I once again wish the whole Tally team lots of success, and I really love that Tally soon, very soon reaches the 5 million. Thank you. Thanks.
CA Manoj Agrawal, sir, thank you. Thanks a lot. And every word of yours is being carefully noted and as much understood as possible. We'll come back to you and look forward for the same support and help which you've been giving to us and being so kind to us. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us. Now with this, I'll request CA Venugopal. A small quick introduction. CA Venugopal, how to start? I mean, he's been go-to-man for us always. The whole Tally team goes to him immediately once we have any doubts. So that's that apart. He is an advisor on the technology for GST implementation and integration of accounts and returns filing utilities at Delhi and other regulatory bodies. And he has authored many books and contributed to the technical guide on GST audit released by ICI and other publications also. He has authored a wonderful book called GST for Tally users, and there is many to his cap. And I just want to tell one small thing which happened, as Manu sir was telling, that recently there was some confusions. The government or the regulators created about telling that companies should adopt audit trail, giving 3 days, 4 days time, while the industry doesn't even know what audit trail is all about. So the moment that gadget was passed, immediately I get a call from Chartered Accountant Venu sir and telling, look, Arvind, there is something like this. I want to volunteer something that I want to develop a module which will do this within a day, and I want to give it free of cost to all the Tally customers so that Tally customers can comfortably use it. Sir, that might be a statement for you, but for us, that has got weight beyond anything. And that moment gave us so much of strength to progress from there. Sir, thanks for that. You have done many such things and look forward for you to do the same thing going. And we come to you while we call up Startup Accountants. Your office is so close to us. We walk in there, and we are very grateful for your time and patience for helping us. So with this, I'll request Venu sir to take on the stage and talk about Tally's role in exploring web and database integration. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Firstly, respected Bharat Goenka sir, Tejas ji, and Arvind sir from Tally. Firstly, hearty congratulations on this success, sir. And respected Atul Gupta sir, immediate past president, Mano Agarwal sir, Jitenji and others. Very happy to be part along with you in today's discussion. In fact, I really agree and cherish with the words which President sir and Manu sir mentioned about the manual books. In fact, those people who have done the articleship post 2000 or the pre 2000 can definitely make out this. Like I was from the era where manual books were written and we used to prepare trial balance by hand. The kind of happiness we used to get if the trial balance tallied itself was like a great experience. Okay, it's like as good we completed the audit. But again, every like decade, the processes change, everything change, and with the Tally 4.5 coming in, it's like there was never a question that the trial balance will not be tallied, and it was completely.
Hello.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, now we are clear, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I was personally always fascinated with the technology and always looked at what is the value a CA can do for the audits and an accountant, and especially an accountant to meet the needs of the management. Because with the organizations being growing, they always look at, okay, what is the next level ERP that we can think of? And for me, whenever I hear this word Tally, the only thing which I always get it is that Tally is omnipresent. Like if there is an accountant who knows debit and credit, back of my mind, we know that accountant means he knows the Tally. No, that's the kind of like a brand which we have created and associated. Now, as the corporate grows big, they look for the bigger ERP comes in because they really don't know the power of the potential of the Tally. Today, we all know that we all use Microsoft Excel. We also know that we have not fully explored the potential of the Excel. And every time when someone shows a new, a simple macro or simple thing, they really get fascinated. In fact, same with the Tally. Is like with Tally 6.3, when they have introduced this XML, ODBC, and the data sync features in the Tally, there is a whole world which got opened up for Tally, which generally most of us do not experience. In fact, the best example, again, as Manu sir mentioned about e-invoice and the robots that are coming in today, we know on just press of a button, the data gets connected to a government server, gets processed, and gets updated back into the Tally. That could be one live example one can always think of, that, okay, Tally can talk to the external world. So I can have MIS on the go. I can have my data without knowing that there is something called Tally that exists. I can view my information. There are many things that are possible. That is something I could always say, that correlate Tally with Excel. There are many things that are possible. And like e-invoice e-waybill gets generated on click of button today. I know a lot of corporates who use like the Tally as the base accounting application because accountants are comfortable. There are a lot of features that can help them in giving reports. I have seen a lot of organizations who have used the benefit of the cloud, wherein the reports are published automatically onto the cloud, their MIS systems, whatever is their reporting systems. So maybe it is definitely an opportunity to really explore that every time when a product is giving a new release or a new upgrade, what is in it for the store. Now, I generally always make a statement to people, and especially to my articles and the accountants who are there, that always you think from what do you want. Like my statement is like, anything you want is available in that application. What is not available is what you cannot think of. So just think, this is what I want. There are various ways and means that can be done. And and there are many programming languages, and I was again fascinated that okay, TDL, the Tally itself which developed the programming language. Definitely, I know it's like a thanksgiving to the users, but I should really thank Tally for creating value to the accountants. Of course, there are a lot of the features which needs to be added. In fact, that's a good sign that yes, there are ways to go. There are many things to go, because success is like never ending. And one thing I would really want to with a statement saying that I am firstly happy to be part of this successful journey, and happy to be thanked for being part of the successful journey. I just want all the Tally users really to now really think and explore. If someone says that this is what I want, I think maybe we don't know how to do it, but we should start with a step that, okay, this is what I want. Maybe the Tally support team or someone can actually come to a rescue and says, okay, fine, this is what you want, it is available. All that I would like to say that, okay, there is a power of the cloud today. Everyone talks about online applications and online thing. The data which is there in the desktop is also can be available online. It's just that someone has not explored it. I think there are lots to explore onto the Tally. And again, Arvind sir, everyone, firstly, congratulations, and there are miles to go. Thank you, everyone.
Venugopal sir, thanks a lot. And, very, very informative. Yes, the thinking of the user should change, and that develops the product. Very well said, sir. Thank you. And a small request for the participants: if you have any questions, please type it on the chat box. We will try to answer that at the end of the program. If not, we'll ensure that you are responded in the best suitable medium, which reaches you fast. With this, thanking again Venugopal sir, I would like to invite Jitin Mehta, Chartered Accountant Jitin Mehta. So, what to say? He's known as the guide of Tally, and to me, I see him as an ocean of knowledge of Tally. He exactly knows what Tally can do, how it can be done across businesses, across industries. He's that type of a go-to man, especially in the CA community. If someone really wants to have a one-to-many session or some discussions on Tally, he is the first man, or he is the default man for them to call and seek any information, any discussions or any programs on Tally. He has also authored a book called Tally for Professionals, which got released by WRC of ICI. So, not taking too much of time to introduce the knowledge of the CA, what is the ocean, the knowledge ocean of Tally, CA Jitin Mehta. Sir, over to you, and please take on your sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to start with thanking BG sir, Tejas sir, Arvind sir, Tally management team and Tally office team for giving me this opportunity of being a part of this celebration event as a speaker with such distinguished dignitaries. Atul Gupta sir, and Venugopal ji, Manu sir, and I really congratulate again Ms. BG sir and Tejas sir and all Tally team for reaching this milestone. It is really a great day in my journey with Tally since 1989, the Tally 4.5 days. Still people remember Tally 4.5. Tally 4.5 was like everyone wanted to learn Tally 4.5 after 12th or FY become SY and TY. And we have reached this milestone of 2 million licenses, which approximate to more than 10 million happy users or 20 million, because these are licenses. So if you multiply of the number of users, there are more than 10 million or 20 million happy users, which include CEOs, CFOs, CAs, and other various company personnel. And in our economy, we have various brands which come to our mind when we talk about products like toothpaste, powder, perfume, etc. For example, when we talk about life insurance, the first thing that comes to our mind is Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. Similarly, when we talk about accounting software, the first thing that comes to our mind, everyone's mind is Tally. Like sir told that whenever we receive some resume or something, everywhere it is written, we know Tally, we know MS Excel, Word, PowerPoint. So Tally is by default, it is taught in the CA curriculum also. And all over India as well as abroad also, we have Tally centers where the Tally training is imparted. And I'm in CA practice since 1995, specializing in Tally implementation training. I was introduced to Tally by Mr. CA Vikram Seth. His team working with Tally since so many years. His office staff, Mr. Prasad, Shekhar, and many others. Always on a phone call, they used to help my clients whenever they used to call them. Without knowing them also, they used to help me. So they were like my staff only and my family member. So I'm really thankful to Vikram sir also to introducing me to this Tally team. And when I started, I'm in CA practice since 1995, especially Tally implement training. My family business is selling tea premix, automatic vending machine tea premix. So people call me CA, they call me Chai Wala, and they call me Tally Wala also. So I really feel proud when they call me Chartered Accountant, when they call me Tally Wala. So whenever there is a talk, like sir told, I give lectures for CEOs, CFOs, and management teams. Whenever people in my practice, when I say, we want to go for Tally, Jitin bhai, Tally Wala hai na. So that word Tally Wala, it really gives like Chartered Accountant also logo. Similarly, when Tally, they use term Tally Wala, really proud feeling. I've seen that even though Tally is mainly marketed for MSME sector, small and MSA people say, but there are many big corporates and multinationals also using Tally, especially after Tally 7.2 was launched when VAT was introduced. Similarly, when VAT was introduced in Gulf countries, people are using Tally in Gulf countries also when VAT was introduced. So Tally is such a software which is simple to use, not only for accounting, but if implemented properly, we can also extract advanced level MIS reports for management decisions. So what I have seen in my career is many chartered accountants and many companies, they don't know what is the potential of Tally. Although the company has grown big, they can still use Tally with their inbuilt features. Of course, we can do customization also, but inbuilt features are so much like job costing, project-wise costing, budgeting, then variances, so many POS is there. So people are not aware of all these features. So when I go for demonstration to some big company, corporate, where a few chartered accountants are there as employee, they are using Tally since last 5-6 years. They said, we didn't knew that so much potential of Tally. The Tally has this inbuilt things like all compliance like GST now. Now GST, when it is introduced, Tally Prime. Now Tally e-invoicing is there, Tally e-payments directly from Tally. So all these features are available in Tally. Now, the simplicity of software encourage more and more business to invest in this software. It is simple to use also. I was used to give training in Tally Academy for 3-4 years where 10 standard student, 12 standard, TYBCom, senior citizen, housewife used to come. They are also using Tally for their simple personal accounts. Some people are using for budgeting, housewives are using for budgeting, so senior citizens are using for their personal sales accounting and all that. So this you can use in simple way also and as well as advanced way. So Tally can be used for accounts, inventory management, statutory compliances, all MIS reports, advanced MIS reports. You won't believe when I say that apart from accounting, I have used Tally for compliance due date management for chartered accountant firm. I have implemented in my friend's office, many chartered accountant friends in my study circle, that they use Tally for compliance due date management. So it is all accounting software, but we use for some different things without any major customization. And I have used one for a few of my big clients, like personal life balance sheet I have made in Tally. So this is what I have done for my clients. So this you can also do. There are so many people available in this field. Tally has a very good support team as well as channel partners network. And now with introducing Tally Prime, this software simplifies the lives of all its users by including e-invoicing as well as e-payments. So whenever we reach Tally support team, whenever we raise a query, immediately it is solved. Hardly it takes 1 day or 2 days, or sometimes it's same day revert back within 2-3 hours. So this is the way BG sir and Tejas sir and all the management team have taken care that if the client also directly approach Tele support at the Tele Solutions, they immediately reply. No need to route through partner also. And whenever we raise some issues with them or something like that we want this, immediately in next version or next to next version, they try to bring in that feature, which is possible by their team. And we can directly write to their programming team also. That is the wonder which Tele has given us. Now in my office, my 100% client, I won't say 99.99, 100% client are using Tele, and includes big corporates as well as multinational companies which are operating out of India also. So this is the power of Tele. So Tele has indeed won millions of hearts, including my by its power of simplicity. If I try to exaggerate, if I go for blood checkup, my blood group will be Tele positive. So this is what I can say. And always I will be thankful to the team. I try to see that Tele, like WRC, I'm on that panel which we took Tele Summit along with Tele and WRC. We had a Tele Summit twice. We have written a book on Tele for professionals. So this always CA Institute, President, Vice President, Chairman of our WRC, Riti Ben, and now Manish sir is there. Everyone, Lalit Bajaj sir was there. So everyone, always whenever we want something with Tele, they will approach us and we will have Tele team who will always coordinate with us for this type of lectures. So I will really again thankful, and I know that I would like to congratulate the entire Tele community, not only the Tele team but Tele users all over who are attending today, Tele chartered accountants, my colleagues, my friends, and the article clerks who are using Tele. That this is a well-deserved milestone, and I know for sure that we will meeting for its 3 million milestone. So thank you very much for again giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Jitendra, thanks a lot, and you very well said that these are just the 2 million licenses installed, but the matrix has more to it. So every license can have unlimited number of companies, and every company can have more number of users. So that way, 2 million is too small a number, and all other points what you said are very, very important. Noted down carefully. Thanks for your time. And with this, while I want to conclude this with a small vote of thanks, I want to share one or two small points. Being present to listen to these eminent speakers from the CA community is truly a blessing for me and all of us. And I'm sure, like me, you would have left spellbound with their thoughts, experience, achievements, and more importantly, their vision of future. So that is so good for all of us to listen. And to me, every CA in this country has supported us in many more ways for this to happen. And as a company, it is unfortunately difficult for us to know of what all the chartered accountants do for us on every day. But we are greatly thankful to all of them for doing this. Surely there will be many more accomplished members here present in the session or outside who can be invited to talk. But given the paucity of time, I would request all of you to please share your thoughts with us in whatever preferred medium you have, and we'll be happy to respond, take it from there. Once again, I would like to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for contributing and helping us to build all that is good in our beloved Tele. And continue to look forward for your continued endorsement, feedback, patronage, and support. And with this, can I request Tejas to have the final. Tejas,
thank you, Arvind. Thank you so much. I just wanted to thank everybody here for, just as Dad had said, for adopting us and continuing to bless the journey to take this country and India forward, basically. Atulji, thank you so much for your words and continuously keep pushing us. I'll keep troubling you to make sure that the product meets your expectations. Manuji, same thing with you. I think you've set some very nice examples and sent us some very good ideas in what you've shared. Thank you so much. I'll keep troubling you also for any thoughts and suggestions. Very nice. Venuji, your just your ability to push Tally to its limit is unbelievable. And the passion with which you do it is not funny. And same thing with Jiten sir. Using Tally in such examples can only come from y'all, I think. So really, thank you so much for all your kind words and for blessing us with your presence also. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Thank you.